Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss the previous paper 2020 IBPS RRB. Already we done a video part 1. Now today we discuss part 2. In this video we are discussing quadratic equations and simple approximation problems. Just observe here, this total video carries 10 marks. Okay guys, now just observe here, how can we conclude quadratic equations are very important. For every quadratic equation we will gain two different roots. Now here given one is with variable x, another one is with variable y. Based on these two quadratic equations we have to finalize one of the option. Now y is greater than x, or y is less than x, or y is greater than or equal to x, y is less than or equal to x, x equal to y are no relation. Okay guys. Now I am going to conclude that first problem. Just observe here how it is simple. X square plus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0 and 8y square minus 15y plus 7 is equal to 0. While doing such type of problems, first of all we have to observe the signs of C value and B value. Here observe here, the C value is here plus, and B value is here plus. It means it is like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The sign of C is plus, sign of B also here plus. When come to another case, here observe here, the B sign is minus and C sign is plus. It means minus plus B and C signs and plus here B C values. In case of x plus and plus, in case of y minus and plus. If B value is minus and C value is plus and C value is here also plus, now if it is plus, blindly we can find that answer. Y is greater than x. That's all. No need to do any calculation. How y? Please watch my video. Already it is completed. It is in our channel. If not, I am going to mention that link in description box. Once watch it, then you can find how to we conclude that answer. Very easy. Y is greater than x. Okay guys. This is about the first question. Now we have to discuss next one. Just observe here. It means which is our answer? Option A is our answer for first question. We'll come to second question. X square minus 11x minus and plus. First check it. The sign of C value. Plus sign plus. Next case here minus, here plus. Where minus? In case of variable there is minus. That's why now our answer is x is greater than y. That's all. No need to do anything. X is greater than y. When come to here, x is greater than y means y is less than x. That's why our answer is option B is our answer. Option B is our answer. Okay guys, nice, right. Next question. We have to go for next question. ఎలా అంటే మనం దీనికంటే ముందు వీడియోలో నేను చేశానండి. ఒకసారి డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బాక్స్ లో లింక్ ఇస్తా ఉన్నా, ఒకసారి చూడండి. రీజన్ ఎందుకు అలా మనం డైరెక్ట్ ఎలా ఫైనల్ చేయొచ్చు అనేది నేను ఆల్రెడీ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బాక్స్ లో ఇస్తా ఉన్నా, ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఓకే గైస్, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 20x ప్లస్ 91 y square plus 16y plus 63. Here also the same question is here, minus here it is plus. That's why direct our answer is x is greater than y. X is greater than y means y is less than x. Again our answer is B only. Again our answer is B only. Okay guys. Now how it is? Is it is right or wrong? Is it is right or wrong means just one check. We are going to check it. Here it is The b value is 20 is given. Here it is 91 is given. 91 means 13 7 times. 13 how many times? 13 7 times. The factors of C value, addition or difference, always equal to B value. It means if it is minus, here at all, this is also minus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus 13 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 20. It means our answer is 13 comma 7. These are x1 comma x2. These are x1 comma x2. Welcome to another case. Y square plus 16y plus 63 is there. Hello guys, just observe here. Here 63 means 7 9 times. 7 9 times. Here it is plus sign is there. Plus into plus, again plus. That's why plus 7 plus 9. The combination become as 16. The combination become as 16. It means our answer is minus 7 comma minus 9. Minus 7 comma minus 9. Once observe here. Here these both values are positive. Here these both values are negative. These are y1 comma y2. That's why blindly we can find out x is greater than y. It means y is less than x. Y is less than x. Okay guys. Alright, I am going to discuss another one problem. Discuss one more problem. Just observe here. X square plus 13x plus 40 is equal to 0. Then y square plus 7y plus 10 is equal to 0. Alright guys, once observe. The previous trick is applicable for two cases only. In case of the given two equations, C value is positive and any one of B value, if it is negative, then that is greater. Where is minus in case of B sign, then that is greater. That's all. It is not applicable for each and every case. Okay guys. Now when come to x square plus 13x plus 40 is equal to 0. Then y square plus 7y plus 10 is equal to 0. That's why. Just first observe here what is the sign of 13. Here it is plus. It means 40. 40 is given. 40 means 8 into 5 times. It means our answer should be plus 8 comma plus 5 means our answer should be minus 8 comma minus 5. Why? Because of 8 plus 5 gives 13. Here which one is here? 13 is there. That's it. Alright, well, another case. Y square plus 7y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now 10 means 2 into 5 times. 2 into 5 times. If it is both values are positive, then 2 plus 5 become as 7. 2 plus 5 become as 7. It means it gives value of B. Now our answer should be minus 2 comma minus 5. Minus 2 comma minus 5. Okay, just one sorry. Now how to compute all this? This is x1, this is x2. This one is y1, this one is y2. Now I am going to compare x1 to y1 comma y2. Here x1 minus 8, x2 minus 2. It means in first case x is less than y. Then again minus 8 and minus 5. It means again x is less than y. Another case minus 8 and minus 2 is here. Here minus 5 and here it is minus 2 is here. That's why x is less than y. X is less than y. Then again minus 5 and minus 5 is there. X is equal to y. It means less than equal. It means our answer is x is less than or equal to y, or y is greater than or equal to x. It means what is our answer? Option C is our answer. Okay guys? Option C is our answer. Okay? Now just very simple. What I am going to do here, just 40 is separated into its factors. the sum or difference of factor always equal to b value. That only we are doing here. Okay, right. Next one, x square minus 12 is equal to 0, y square plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. Just observe here, the signs observe here. Now, no need to follow anything, just we have to conclude here. 3 into 4. Here minus 1 is here, minus x means minus 1 is there. It means it is minus, this one is plus. Plus into minus always minus. Plus into minus always minus. Plus 3 minus 4 means it gives minus 1. Okay guys. That's why now what is our answer? x1 is minus 3, x2 is 4. The letter plus 5y plus 6 is there. That's why 2 into 3 both are plus, 2 into 3. 2 plus 3 gives 5. Now our answer is minus 2 comma minus 3. Minus 2 comma minus 3. These both are the y1 comma y2. y1 comma y2. Just observe here. Minus 3 is less than minus 2. First case, observe here. Minus and minus, okay. But when compare, here it is positive. In first case, x is less than y. If we compare with x2, this is positive value. Positive value is always greater than negative. It means another case x became as like this. That's why there is less than and greater than. It means there is no relation. It means our answer is option E. Okay, that's why if there is two signs like less than and greater than, there is no relation. If with less than there is equal is there is a relation. With greater than there is equal is there is a relation. But in combination of these two signs there is no relation. Okay guys. Alright, I have to discuss next problems.